Tips for writing your UC Personal Insight questions, also known as PIQs. Part of your UC application, you'll be required to write responses to 4 personal insight questions. The first question must be completed by all transfer students. In addition to this question, you will respond to 3 additional questions, and you'll have an opportunity to choose from a total of 7. Each response is limited to 350 words. Let's dive into some key tips as you brainstorm and write your PIQ responses. Number 1, start out by brainstorming a response to all the questions. Click the link in the description box below for more guidance on how to brainstorm for each question. After you're done, select the questions based on what you have enough content and examples to write on and what adds the most to your application. All questions are given equal consideration, so choose based on what fits best for you. Number 2, start early. By beginning early, you allow yourself enough time to thoughtfully reflect on the questions. Also, it will allow you enough time for proofreading. While the PIQ responses are not a test of your writing, you need to make sure that spelling and grammatical errors don't get in the way of the reviewer being able to understand what you're trying to say. We always recommend that you have another person read your PIQ responses. The Career Transfer Center is here to help. Sign up for a UC Reader appointment. Number 3, be authentic and highlight what makes you uniquely you. The UC application readers will see a lot of responses to the personal insight questions. It's clear to readers when a student is being inauthentic or trying to respond in a way that's expected. That's why it's essential that you highlight your unique characteristics, background, and experience. Number 4, keep storytelling to a minimum. As you write your personal insight questions, stay away from simply telling or recapping a story or experience. Spend some time sharing your story, but you should keep the example to about 1/3 of the response. The rest of your response should be reflection and analysis. Instead of just saying what happened, tell the reader why it happening was important, impactful, or significant for you. Share with the reader what you learned as a result of this experience. Number 5, stay calm. PIQ responses are important, but they are never used to hurt you. They only add to your application, and there is no right or wrong PIQ response. However, you must put in some effort because the PIQs can make a difference. Additionally, they are often used for scholarships or admission into special programs. Remember, the counselors at Citrus College are here to help. Make an appointment to have your PIQ responses reviewed by a Citrus College counselor by calling 626-914-8639 or visiting the Career Transfer Center located on the 2nd floor of the Student Services building.